Tonight, we are putting together the canister Damascus, and I'm in the mood that's a dangerous mood to be in. It's been a long time since I've been in the forge, and when that's been the case, you tend to do things that are really dangerous because you really want to forge bad. It's probably a bad sign, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, if I make this canister wrong, it'll blow up in the forge and I might be in the hospital. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the shavings from the drill press, put it in a bucket, pour white gas in it, clean it off, pick off the shavings, put them in another bucket, and then light that on fire so it burns off all the white gas. It'll clean everything, remove it from oil, should be ready to go.
So what I'm doing here is I'm stirring up the shavings, drying them off, putting them into the canister, lighting the canister on fire to burn off the white gas, and then tapping in some 1095 powder and vibrating it with one of those muscle massagers. It seemed to work pretty well, and then I used a C-clamp to tighten the lid down on top of it. So you can see right there. Still burning off all the white gas that I can before I weld the can shut.
Forge has been going for about 20 minutes now. I'm going to take the billet right on out and I'm going to try and hammer it as evenly as possible.
If you look, it's hot. If you look right here, the can is starting to already split off the top and around the edges. So I think there's a billet in there that's pretty good.